Meaning of indented.
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 Indented. The term indented commonly refers to a specific style of text layout where the first line of a paragraph is positioned further to the right than subsequent lines. This creates a visual break between paragraphs and helps to distinguish them from one another. Indenting can also refer to creating an indentation with a tool or object, such as pressing into a surface with a pointed instrument. In general, indentation serves to create order and structure in written or printed materials, making them easier to read and understand.